all, welcome back for another video. So to reset my car. Today I'm going to show you I can get rid of the flat tire indicator, TPMS indicator of a Volkswagen Scirocco 2016 model. In this short video I'm going to show you you can do it for yourself. Let's start right away. First of all, turn the ignition on, then you'll see this indicator. Then go to the glove compartment. There is a button over here, as you can see. Press this, hold it pressed for about 5 seconds and you'll hear a beep. Once you hear that beep, this indicator won't pop up anymore. Do the test. You'll see that the indicator doesn't show up anymore. This was a Scirocco 2016 and I hope you enjoyed it and hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.